Hey guys, Vijhi here, and I wanted to walk through a profile that was trying to get into a group that I'm helping, and just very slowly and very methodically check it out with you looking over my shoulder. So this is Emily Joseph. I'm already a little suspicious because I've seen the name Emily Joseph a bunch of times in my faker files, but I'm willing to give it a go. But here's a giant red flag: Ohio City, Ohio. State, city, comma, state is a common place to find a fake profile living. So be wary of those. The population of Ohio City, Ohio on Facebook is probably many times that of Ohio City, Ohio, should there actually be a city called Ohio City, Ohio, and I have not checked. Let's see, we've got pictures, a little fuzzy. But of the same person, it seems. Here's one with Elvis, but then there's Muhammad and Mujahid, I don't even know how to say that, commenting there. Here's a family photo. Here's some more photos, maybe of grandma. Beautiful outdoor scene for the cover photo. And then Muhammad is back talking about amazing how the picture is. So those are some red flags right there on the front of the profile that you could see from these fakers, maybe that are coming from overseas. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this profile link, we're going to copy that and put it in the Stalk Scan program. So this is Stalk Scan. All I have to do is go to stalkscan.com, put the profile link to Facebook. As long as I'm logged into Facebook, I can do this. And it's telling you all public info Facebook doesn't let you see. It organizes the searches for these things a little better for you is what's going on here. So normally I look at different things to give me context. I'll start here with groups. What groups does Emily get into? Emily gets into We Love Donald Trump, USA for Trump, largest group ever. Those are very specific types of groups, and there's no other type of group. The lack of diversity of groups is a little bit concerning, but it's not a deal breaker. We can look at posts. What has Emily posted? Well, the pictures that we've already seen. They've just, on August 10th, made a profile. So that's kind of interesting. Maybe it's a baby profile. I don't know. We can look at pages over here under interests. And when we do that, we get some better information. WWE fans, then something called, let's see, General Asim Bajwa. Okay. More thing, John Cena. This profile loves John Cena. That's great. And maybe some adult sites or something. Music from the Netherlands, fans of Imran Khan, who's a politician. Let's see. I-Tech Urdu. Well, that's not obvious at all. Here's something out of Karachi, Pakistan. So, yeah, this is not looking like this matches the Emily profile. None of that looks like stuff that she would necessarily be interested in. But, you know, we're not going to judge. We're not going to judge too harshly. So we're going to look here. When a profile is tagged in a picture or a post or a video, you can see those here. So let's look at tags of pictures. Here's Emily, but wait, who are these other people, and why is the Emily profile being tagged in those photos? That's kind of odd. So we'll look at posts. What posts has Emily been tagged in? And it's all this stuff. Yeah, I've got my doubts now, really. When I do the photos commented on, look at pictures, this is all I get. This is the kind of content. And when I look at this guy, we are going to find an Emily comment here and a tag. You know we are because we've done it. Emily Joseph. And then here we go with the tag. I think it's this one. Nope, it's not. Maybe it's Danish. Yes, Danish. Emily Joseph. Did you see that coming? Of course you saw that coming. But now you can tell people about Stalk Scan and you can start hunting these fakes for yourself. And I think it's going to take all of us because there are just so many.